Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone in Discord. So as you can see, we are currently on Discord here, and what you want to do is go to user settings and click on voice and video here. So make sure that the input device is correctly set to your microphone that you're using. As you can see, I'm using this microphone. So this is set as my default, even there it's still working like that. So you can check here to just make sure that it's working, right? So, and here just make sure that the input sensitivity is turned automatically here, right there, and make sure that the input volume is set to max, or not make sure that it's not 0 or something. So once you're done with that, if it's still not working, you could check on your voice settings or your audio settings. So just click on here on the taskbar here on this tray, click on that, click this button here. Once you're here, click on more volume settings. So once you've arrived here, go to input and make sure that the microphone you're using is set. I'm using this USB condenser microphone right here, and make sure that the volume is set to whatever, just not 0, okay? Just like that. And go check here on more sound settings and go to recording right here. Make sure that your microphone is enabled here and go set it as the default device. So it'll show here that you can set it to default. So right here, let's see, set as default device, since this isn't my default. So since I've set my microphone, my currently used microphone as default, it will show here. But if you want to set it, just click on that particular device and just set it as default device. And that's it, guys. And another one, if it's still not working, just go search troubleshooters on the menu here, troubleshoot settings, and click other troubleshooters, and just scroll down a little here, or on audio here, click on run and go through the troubleshooters. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.